Okay, let's dive into the massive economic shift that's happening in the South Bay right now. Seriously, the era of the sleepy beach town is over. A huge shift is underway. So what's happening? It's a massive reshuffle. Old businesses out and a new wave in.
As some favorites close down, something new is popping up: specialized experience retail. But how do they survive online? They have to turn that real-world skill into digital trust.
The answer? It's all about tailored video strategies. Let's look at a few examples. Take New Mom School. For something like postpartum support, trust is everything, and video builds that. So using empathetic direction helps their team get comfortable and connect with moms online. It's crucial. Now, for places like DermFX and Pho Redbo, it's a battle for attention, right? Sharp 4K video makes DermFX look premium. And that pro lighting on Pho Redbo's Wagyu? Wow. Okay, what about a complex business like Atmosphere? How do you even explain solar and EV charging? You break it down into short, simple videos. It's basically a 24/7 digital sales funnel. But for a lot of owners, just starting with video feels impossible. Consistency is hard. KIS Keep In Shape has a great system. They film a whole month of content at once.
So let's zoom out. How can the local Chamber of Commerce use this for everyone?
They can create a business growth blueprint. This turns the chamber into a real lead gen partner. This goes way beyond a ribbon cutting. It offers real economic value and a tangible ROI for members. Okay, but with costs so high, can small businesses even afford this? Let's talk numbers. To get about 50 minutes of video from a high-end AI tool, it's about $1,500. Now get this, a 50-minute pro recording session at a local studio like Voxel? Just $30. I mean, look at that difference. It makes authentic, in-person recording a total no-brainer. And that's why this matters so much. The Chamber can offer a literal survival tool. So you have to wonder, in a world full of AI, is that human touch the new luxury?